So in today's how-to, I'm going to be teaching you how to add captions to your video, but this time using the Captions app. This is said to be the best captioning app that you can ever use, and it has some amazing features as well. So if you want to add captions automatically to your videos, Captions would help you do that. If you want to dub your video into another language, say you have a video in English and you want to dub it into French or Spanish, this app would actually help you to be able to do that. You might not always keep eye contact, with the camera, and so this amazingly it's able to correct your eye gaze to make it always seem as if you are focusing on the camera. And it also adds emojis automatically to match your spoken words. So if you express shock, right, it would add an image of shock. If you express happiness, it would add a suitable emoji to match what you are saying. Then, as always, just as its competitors, you can also add media, add GIFs and images to your video. So once again, the app is called Captions. For now, you can only use it on the web, on your iOS device or on your PC, right, or your MacBook, right? It's yet to be available on Android. Sorry guys, sorry Android users. It's very simple to use. So head over to your app store or to their website, that's captions.ai, and download the app onto your preferred device, whether you're downloading it onto your phone or onto your PC. If you go to the app and you select any of the device destinations that you want to install the device on, it will automatically redirect you. So if you're an iOS user as well, just head over to their app store and download the Captions app. So it's very straightforward to use. Just download the app. It will require you to sign up initially. That's if you don't already have an account. But then as soon as you're done with that, you are met with a screen that allows you to import your project. Wait till the project is imported, and then you can change the text template. There are a few templates and colors that you can tweak, and then you can also choose to dub your video into another language as well. Once you are done, you can simply export it, and yeah, voila, you have your video with auto captions or a dub if that's what you want.
Now, here's one thing to note about the Captions app. This is the fact that you would be required to make a monthly subscription before proceeding to export your audio. Now, this is definitely a bummer because there are free options out there, such as CapCuts. You can apply captions to your video. We've covered that on this channel previously. So you can apply captions to your video for free. But I believe this particular app has other functionalities, such as translating your audio into another language, transcribing your audio, and so on. And so they have monthly subscriptions that you definitely need to choose before you can proceed to export a video. Just note that.
Check it out, download it, use it, install it, use it for your videos, and try out any of the functions that we mentioned. That's the captions, the dubbing, the eye contact, the emojis, and adding of media, and let me know what you think about the app.